This is Zachary with Rocky Mountain Bee Supply here, making the candy boards for the wintertime feed for the bees. The candy board is equivalent to one full honey super for food supply for the wintertime. The candy board is sitting on top of your uppermost deep box and below your quilt box when paired the best. The candy board consists of 10 parts of sugar to 1 part water. In our case, we're using 10 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water here. It's also recommended to add a feed supplement into the candy board for extra nutrients. We recommend the Bee Crack or the Hive Life for best results. We have our 10 cups of sugar in our mixer. Now we'll add our 1 cup of water in there. You'll just want to make sure it's mixed in well and incorporated well before packing it. So now that your candy board mixture has been mixed, it should be a sandcastle type consistency. Pliable, but not super wet. Now you'll divide half of it into each side here to ensure a good division. Now you'll want to pack the sugar firmly so it gets a nice hold onto the wire. Now that your sugar has been mixed and packed into your candy board, please let's set it in a place that it can dry for up to 2 days. When drying, we recommend having it set up at a little bit of an angle to allow air to get down to the bottom to get it dried. If you are not wanting to make your own, we do have a limited supply on these in the store, so please run in and get yours today.